Alright, this is Chris with Rustic Redneck Designs. We're getting ready to do a redneck hole punching on this book. It was going to be $130 to have the binding cut off and 1, 2, 3 holes punched in it so that we could put this book in a binder so my wife could organize for our homeschooling. As a redneck, I said, no. I got a drill, I got a pencil, and I can make some holes. So, we're going to do this the good old-fashioned redneck way. Now, in the book, we looked to see if pages lined up, and we weren't going to mess up any of the writing or anything. So we just took a few random pages, and it looks like the spacing at the back here is really good for that. But we got to these yellow pages, which are, you know, like instructions and all that kind of stuff. Well, they go all the way to the edge, and some of the words would have got cut off, some of the spreadsheets would have got messed up, all that. So what we did is we just took these yellow sections, just the yellow pages. They're all bound together. That's how they got the color the same in this whole section, and we just pulled them out just like so. And voila! So we've already pulled out all the yellow sections. Now we're going to take our page, our trusty redneck template here. It is very high tech. It is a sheet of notebook paper. So we're going to take the holes, we're going to draw on them where the holes go, put a little X, draw another little hole, put an X, another little hole, put an X. Alright, now grabbing our drill bit that's approximately the size of our hole, we're going to grab our trusty cordless drill. And if you say, I don't have a drill or a drill bit, you aren't a redneck. But if you want to become a redneck, this will save you enough money you can afford a drill and a drill bit. Okay? So now we're just going to go to the edge of the book. We're going to drill. Now we have punched like, I don't know, that's like $20 or $30 worth of holes that we punched. $45 worth of holes we punched in one fell swoop. And so we're going to do it 2 more times so it'll fit in the binder.
It's not too noisy.
It's not too noisy. Come on. Alright. So, now we've got our redneck hole punched book. Okay? It may not look as pretty as Office Max or Staples, but $140? Heck no. Now, when we, instead of spending $2 to have someone take a knife and cut, watch this. You just take the binding and you gently pull. And guess what? All the pages come out. Look at that. You can put them right into a 3-ring binder, put them into 3-ring binders, 20 of them. However many you want. Take them and put them on a copy machine. Make as many copies as you want for yourself. Anyway, that, my friends, is how you redneck hole punch a book.